Hi guys, welcome back you guys. So as you can see, I'm already like well into my face. I wish I would have got the idea to film a video when I first started my face. So it's already pretty much halfway done, but I figured I'd talk to you guys about what's going on in my life right now. So originally my club shut down for 3 months. Let's see. Yeah, 3 months. So I was kind of just bored in the house for 3 months. Then we reopened, let's see, about a month ago. I'm gonna do my eyebrows right now, and it's really hard to do on camera because I feel like I have to be like, anyways, so yeah, we reopened about a month ago, and we decided to shut down again in that city. And I guess they shut down because there was a local bar in the area and they had a confirmed case. So they decided to shut down the whole city or the whole town or whatever for 2 weeks. Hopefully it's just for 2 weeks. I think I got about another week. I'm not sure. So hopefully it's just 2 weeks and not 3 months again, because I'm going crazy. I'm going out of my freaking mind. Sorry that my nails are gross. But yeah, I think it's stupid to spend money on nails right now. I'm just home every day. But if you guys hear that sound, my dog's like licking his butthole. Gross, I know. Okay, so yeah, I just been home. I've been trying to be productive. I have a 4-year-old daughter, so she keeps me pretty busy. Just doing like activities with her, filming videos, kind of gets my mind off of things. It's really fun. Sometimes I get tired of watching TV just because of everything that's going on. Like, I gotta avoid every news station as much as possible. But right now I'm just kind of like filling in my brows. I hate doing my brows. All right, sorry you guys, I had a phone call. So I pretty much got this brow filled in. I like to use the Anastasia Brow Wiz. I'm not sure what shade this is. Oh, medium brown, yeah. Medium brown. The Morphe ones are pretty good too. I think they just need a little larger shade range. But they're not that bad. I used to use the pomades, is that how you say it? For my eyebrows by Anastasia Beverly Hills, but I feel like this one's just easier for me and quicker. It's just kind of like a pencil. Retractable pencil thing. It's cool, I like it. Yeah, so my club shut down. And like I said before, hopefully it's not like last time where they were like, oh, we're shutting down for 30 days and 30 days turned into almost 4 months. So hopefully that's not the case this time, because I'm just over it. I'm just so tired, you know, of just being home. And I guess we all just kind of miss normal life. But yeah, it's like pretty much done, I think. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and powder, set, and highlight. I like to set my face. I like the Laura Mercier setting loose powder. And then I like this Airspun powder. They just work for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set my under eyes and just where I crease a lot the most. Sometimes I set with a damp beauty sponge, but sometimes I feel like it could be too cakey or just too thick. I get a little pimple right there. So let me just curl my lashes real quick. I have like a fear of curling my lashes. I don't know why. It just freaks me out. I usually wear falsies, but I'm not going anywhere. So I don't want to waste some bomb eyelashes if I'm just gonna stay home. Once you find a good mascara that doesn't like smudge, like, you know, you're good. As long as it's waterproof and it doesn't smudge. Like I said, I get like eyelash extensions, or I wear a lot of falsies, so mascara is not like a big thing for me as long as it doesn't smudge. And there's so many mascaras out there, like you're bound to find at least 10 that don't clump and don't smudge. I just use this Great Lash. It's a good mascara. So if you guys want to know what I used on my eyes, well, it's really beat up. I am that person that abuses every piece of makeup that comes into my world. Yeah, she's been through some things. But this is the Morphe, I think it's the second, yeah, it's the Second Nature palette, the 3502. He's home. I left my purse at our friend's house at her 4th of July party. Thank you. Yep. You're fine. So it's been over there for like a week. Love you.
Love you.
Let that mascara dry. Look at this cute fan that I got on Amazon. So cute, right? I have a thing for ears right now. I have like an ear thing going on, but it comes like with a little stand, and it comes with a charger, and it has 2 settings. I don't know, it just feels so refreshing. So I like to use that to like dry my mascara, or like when I set my face, or my vanity just gets really hot because of the light bulb. So sometimes I just like set my fan here and just get like a nice little cool breeze. Foundation, I used this Pro Matte foundation by L'Oreal. It's 24-hour wear. That's like my summer foundation. Also, I like to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer HD High Definition Concealer. And I think it's just their yellow concealer. I like to use that under my eyes just because I feel like it brightens and it just like lifts my whole appearance. So yeah, that's my foundation, my concealer, my eyeshadow, and then on my cheeks, I just use this Anastasia bronzer in Mahogany. It's almost gone. I'm gonna do my highlighter, but what I like to do is spray my face first before applying my highlighter, just because I feel like it just sticks on and then I spray again. I'm going in with the Morphe M504 brush. It's just like a little poofy brush, I guess. And I'm gonna use the Star Blazer AZ highlighter palette. I like to mix it. So we'll go in with Shooting Star, which is more of a like bronzy, and then we're gonna mix it with Extra, which is more of like a pearly, iridescent pink, I guess. Like so. I'm wondering what if there's gonna be new procedures at my job when we reopen. I feel like there wasn't really much of a difference. Dancers didn't really have to wear a mask or anything. Well, when you work the room, you have the option to wear a mask. They're like sanitizing tables and the stage. So we would stop stage time to like disinfect everything. In between girls, VIP dances, we would disinfect literally every table, every chair, every couch. So that's kind of what we were doing when we first reopened again. And, you know, sanitizers at every door, at the bars. I think wait staff had to wear masks, but I feel like this time there might be like maybe dancers will have to wear masks this time. I don't know, we'll see. I think in a week I will get the phone call and we'll kind of just see like, hey, if we're opening. I'm hoping there's just better procedures, you know, like I would honestly don't mind wearing a mask. I know some clubs in other states are having it where dancers wear masks, and you like, if someone gets a dance or a VIP dance, then like that's, you could take your mask off. I don't know, we'll see. It's definitely like a new experience for everyone. Everyone's like readjusting to this new way of living, and I know a lot of people just want life to go back to normal, and just be responsible with your money as well. Like save up. Like I feel like everyone is going, like during this crisis, I feel like everyone is like struggling, that I know personally. Not everyone, but most of them have. I know a girl that's been evicted, and you know, girls that had to pick up day jobs. And a lot of the dancers are like either single mothers or in school. It's just honestly the only job that fits, that's flexible, that is worth your time. You know, the money is so good, and you want to have that free time with your child. When you're a single mom, like, you know, it's hard. That's a full-time job, being a single mom. So like finding the time to work, you know, some jobs don't cut it, some jobs are not worth it, and sometimes you got to do what you got to do. So this job kind of fits into that kind of lifestyle, and you have more time to be a mom. You could work 2 days a week and be great, you know, and spend as much time as you want with your kid. So I know a lot of girls are struggling right now. So if, you know, you do decide to get in this industry, or if you're already in this industry, I would like at least recommend picking up some type of day job or part-time job, which a lot of the girls that do this do have jobs. I know a couple girls are nurses and therapists, dental assistants. Like they have like normal jobs on top of what they do. But then there is those girls that are single moms or in college and going to school, and this is it's definitely affected them, especially if they weren't being responsible and saving. Just save your money if you're just in general, whether you're a dancer or not, and, you know, but at the same time, live your life. You know, you might not be alive tomorrow, so have fun, you know, live your life. But I don't know, just kind of find a balance. But as a dancer, I feel like it's really, really important to save your money, because without COVID, it's such an unpredictable business. It's like you're gambling every day. You know, there's times that I went to work and made like $30, you know. And there's times where I had a night and I made $2,000. It's just, it fluctuates. Save your coins, you know, you never know. I'm setting my face with the NYX Dewy Finish. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair off of camera.
Leaving me alone, always calling up my phone, asking for the bankroll. I just had to leave my own city. Got my family on the phone telling me they all miss me. I ain't coming back until I'm on though. I ain't looking.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. I gotta go. There's a house full of kids now. A little loud. If there's any more updates, I will be sure to make another video for you guys. Yeah, so hopefully things get normal soon and I can go back to work so I don't go crazy in this house. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.